Hello, amazing builders! Welcome back to our super fun building zone. Today, we have a giant, exciting project ahead of us. Do you know what it is? We are going to renovate a house. That means we are going to fix it up, make it stronger, and make it look brand new. Our toy house has a lot of guests coming over today, but oh no, it needs some serious fixing. Let us grab our hard hats, get our favorite tools, and get to work. Before we can build, we need to clean up our building site. Look at all these extra blocks, papers, and wrappers. We cannot just throw them all in a big trash bag. We need to be smart engineers and sort them out. Let us put the paper and plastic in the recycling bin to keep our planet happy. Now, look at the ground outside. We need to build a smooth road for our toy delivery trucks to drive on. We are building our very own little highway. We line up the gray blocks to make a long, straight interstate. Now our trucks can zoom right up to the house to drop off all our wonderful building supplies. Now for the best part, the renovation. The walls are looking a little plain. Let us use our toy hammers to gently tap in some new nails. We are adding bright blue windows so the warm sun can shine inside. We are also building a brand new roof. We stack the red triangle blocks on top to keep the rain out and keep our guests dry. Inside the house, we are building brand new furniture. We use flat blocks to make a long table. We use tall blocks to make comfy chairs. Our toy friends will be so happy when they see their beautiful new rooms. But wait, we have a little problem. Our toy mice keep running around and knocking over our new furniture. We need to build something to catch them. But do not worry, we are nice builders, so we are not building a scary trap. We are building a giant, fun puzzle maze. We call it a mouse maze. We use long, thin blocks to build the walls of the maze. An engineer has to think carefully about how the mouse will turn. We make a twist here and a loop-de-loop there. We put a piece of fake cheese at the very end. When the toy mice go inside, they have to figure out the puzzle to get the yummy cheese. It is a brilliant piece of engineering. How do we know if our maze is perfect? We need to see it from high up. Let us bring in our toy helicopter. Whir, whir, whir. We fly the chopper right over our building site. Looking down from the sky, we can see exactly where the walls are. We can spot any empty spaces and fill them in. The helicopter helps us be the very best builders we can be. Look at what we did today. We cleaned up our site, built a smooth highway for our trucks, and gave the house a beautiful new makeover. The roof is strong, the new furniture is ready, and our fun mouse puzzle maze is completely finished. Our house is full of happy guests, and it looks amazing all renovated. You are such wonderful builders. Remember, you can fix up anything with a little bit of imagination and some hard work. Keep building, keep creating, and I will see you on our next big adventure.